Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a really short look at this little floaty. As you can see, it is actually a tank. It is pretty massive, and as you can already see in the front, we have this yellow peak poking out, and this is actually like a water gun, and it's attached in the inside. You will sit in here, and you can actually control that, and you can shoot water out of it. So that is kind of fun, um, and you can have quite a good time with that. So you can actually sit in the pool and attack whoever is in there with you. And yeah, you can get definitely quite a good laugh out of it. And otherwise, it's made quite nicely. Nothing to complain at all. Easy to get ready. And as you see here, you're just gonna open this up, and then you can fill more air or less air as always. It's a little bit on the harder side though, I gotta say that, because there's like this little security knot, but you get there, you get the point. But I mean, this is kind of what you can expect of this, so let's poke that bar back in there. It's not that exciting after all. Then the top part has its own little device where it's been filled with air, and you just have to see which one you prefer. And then in the front, as I said, you got the little gun, which is quite some fun as well. And yeah, this is kind of what you can expect out of this little guy. So this is what it looks like when you're actually inside and you're ready to do what you want to do. And then you can head out and you grab your little gun, and then you can actually pull this out as well if that's needed. And then you can lean back, and then you have a better grip, and as soon as you poke that back in there, you will actually shoot, as you see, and it has quite some power too, as you see here. Yeah, definitely quite some fun, and something I would recommend, because yeah, you will have quite a good time with this for sure. And check it out yourself if that's something you're interested in. Definitely more than some fun here. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today, you guys. So yeah, the only problem, yeah, I forgot about that, is you can't really turn that. So you actually have to move the whole floaty if you want to shoot to the other side. It's gonna take you quite a bit, which is not easy because your feet are inside the floaty, and you have to use your hands to actually turn around. So that's kind of unfortunate, and loses a little bit of the illusion that you're actually in a powerful tank and do your thing. But yeah, you can still manage that, but it's just a little more complicated that way. So I think we call it a day, you guys. My name is Badger. I will see you around. Take care and bye bye.